Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer playlist from Spotify to Audiomack. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing you need to do is open the website soundeyes.com. Once you're on the website, click on the Start for Free button. After that, create an account using your Google ID or any other social media account. Once your account is created, the next step is to connect your Spotify account. To do this, click on the plus icon or the Connect Services option, then select Spotify from this menu. Enter your Spotify login details, such as your email and password, and then click on Agree. After this step, your Spotify account will be linked successfully. The second step is to connect your Audiomack account. Again, click on Connect Services and this time select Audiomack from the list. Log in using your Audiomack credentials and authorize the connection. Now that both Spotify and Audiomack are connected inside Soundeyes, you are ready to transfer playlists. Simply click on the Transfer option from the left side menu. First, click on this Select Source button and select Spotify as the source. Then click on this Select Destination button and select Audiomack as the destination. Once both are selected, click on the Start button in the middle. On the next screen, you'll see different options. Make sure to enable the playlist option since playlist transfers are free. Keep in mind that if you want to transfer albums or artists, you will need to upgrade to their premium plan. After selecting playlist, click Confirm My Selection. The tool will now automatically detect all the playlists in your Spotify account. You can edit the playlist title and description if you want before saving the configuration. Next, select the specific songs you want to transfer by checking or unchecking the boxes beside each track. Once you've made your selections, click on Confirm, and then on this page, hit the Begin Transfer button. That's it. Your playlist will now be successfully transferred from Spotify to Audiomack. And that's it. So that's basically how you can transfer playlist from Spotify to Audiomack. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.